Bet on naturally long and strong lashes. Ingredients of Revamin Lash. Accelerates the growth of algae. Strengthens the structure of algae. For more information about the product, you can access the link in the description. It visibly strengthens and lengthens eyelashes, hydrates and improves their appearance. Who is Revamin Lash for? Revamin Lash Nutrition was designed for women who want to have naturally long and strong lashes every day. Wondering why you have thin and sparse lashes? The main factors that harm your eyelashes are favorable effects of atmospheric influences, burdensome makeup, gluing false eyelashes, eye rubbing, improper facial hygiene. Remember that eyelashes should be taken care of in the same way as other parts of the body. Their regular hydration and nutrition will be rewarded by the sight beautifully framed by healthy algae. And you can achieve this thanks to the highest quality ingredients contained in Revamin Lash Serum, composed so as to achieve the maximum effect of lengthening and strengthening eyelashes. Effects of Revamin Lash. Revamin Lash is an algae nutrition created from the highest quality natural ingredients to ensure maximum effectiveness and safety of use. Regular use of the product causes algae to become longer and denser. The zinc and caffeine in the product stimulate onions, which contributes to faster algae growth. Reinforced. Biotin and panthenol have a positive effect on the structure of algae, which is therefore nourished, stronger and more voluminous. Nourished and strengthened. The use of the product strengthens and revives weak lashes, exposed to external influences on a daily basis. The products glycerin, which nourishes the algae, and sodium hyaluronate, which make the algae more resistant, contribute to this. Deeply hydrated.
It is very important to take care of skin and hair hydration. We owe the natural hydration in the product to the urea contained in it.
What do experts think about the product? Eyelash extensions are now very popular. Most women have definitely decided to glue false eyelashes at least once. Unfortunately, the truth is that this procedure weakens the natural eyelashes. It also often happens that a beautician who asks for a lot of money for eyelash extensions is not sufficiently trained. Then natural and brittle algae can be damaged. The good news is that women are increasingly giving up this method and betting on a natural look. But the interest in achieving the effect of long and thick lashes does not leave them. Revamin Lash is a rescue for weakened and thin eyelashes. They are exposed daily to factors such as rain, wind, frost or sun, so we must take care of them. Due to its rich and natural composition, the systematic use of the product will strengthen and lengthen your lashes and give them exactly what they need. What makes this product different from other algae nutrients is the main component, which is biotinyl tripeptide, 1, which significantly affects the growth of algae and also acts against their loss. Thanks for watching.